DNA stock had a huge rally, up over 13% on the day. And now we're going to be talking about what can happen next. If you've been part of the channel, you know I make DNA stock videos every now and then, probably once a week, maybe a couple times a week. It is a company that I am really looking more into. I do hold a position with them, and it has been selling off. So I'll kind of show you that in today's video. I'll also show you what happened with the rally. I'll also show you where I think we could potentially move next. We know this is a big Cathie Wood stock favorite with ARK Invest. They tend to invest a lot of that into their ARK K fund and their ARK G fund. So don't forget to subscribe if you want more information about the stocks that I cover, or more just mindset and mentality when it comes to the stock market, and really understanding how to trade and how to invest and how to be patient at the end of the day, because a lot of stocks saw huge rallies these last couple of days, and I think it might get even better very soon, especially for DNA. So let's get right into it. This is not financial advice, of course. Do your own research. Let's go. So I made a video the other day, you could see right here really quick, and I was really labeling it as the bottom end. And when I made this video, this was before this massive run, and the reason I said the bottom could potentially be in was a couple different reasons. One would be the RSI was very oversold. We were hanging around 30 on the RSI. Rule of thumb, when the RSI right here is under 30, the stock is very oversold, should have a run very soon. Also, the stochastic was trading at very low points on a daily time frame. But my third indicator that was kind of showing me that the bottom could be in was smart money was actually buying down here. So smart money was actually buying at $1.30. That's what I labeled my video. You saw it there. I made it very clear that this could be the bottom, and I would probably be looking to buy back in once we hit 130 range. I have been dollar cost averaging in on this downtrend right here. Now my plan is to trade the stock because I do think it's going to start making its next move up. And the reasons I think that is we cross this yellow line on the RSI. So what I would be looking for is I think more volume would come in tomorrow, and then I just want to see it come back down and stay above this yellow line like it has before. And you can see before these rallies that we've had. So obviously this can go much higher, but tomorrow I would expect more volume. I'll kind of tell you why I think that. Today, the volume on the day was, what was the volume? It was 27 million, that big green candle right there. If you've gone to previous runs before, it really picked up. It was around the same, but volume picks up the next day pretty heavily. I think the highest was like over 70 million. So with us doing 27 million, I think it's just getting warmed up. They also have earnings coming up on the 8th of November. If tomorrow we can break above 160, then I do see us moving up to potentially about 174, 175. That's $1.75. And you could see that would be a little bit up here. So this area would be a good spot because this is actually where smart money could be potentially selling. You see these red shaded areas, that's smart money selling. Down below me, smart money is buying. Also, you want to watch the Keltner channel. The yellow line right here, when we tend to touch, we tend to pull back. So again, you've seen it before. You can go back in time all the way to May of 2023. We did have some choppiness, but we were making progress all the way up. We touched the yellow Keltner channel, but there was a slight pullback and then it continued its rally. So again, I could see that coming again with DNA this time around. It's really going to depend on the earnings. We know Palantir crushed their earnings. We called that out. If you're part of the channel and you bought under 15 bucks like I did and like most of the Patreon did, congrats to you. We ended up getting out around 18 bucks today. I locked in some profits, and I'll break that down in another video with Palantir. Let me know down below what stocks you would like me to cover, and I'll check it out. I'll look at it. I'll look into the company. I'll look into the charts, see if I like to talk about it, and maybe we'll start talking about it on this channel. All right, guys, have a great day. Let me know your thoughts, any questions you have down below, and we'll get those questions answered. I obviously have a lot going on here. Drop a like, would always appreciate that, so we can push this out to more people in regards to this stock, and we'll see you on the next one.